Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Seiko Alarm Chronograph watch with the digital display. This is a vintage 1980s Seiko Alarm Chronograph watch. All you need to do is to press the mode button 3 times. So once going past the alarm, then for the second time we have the stopwatch, and when I press it for the third time, we can see that the first thing that we can set are the seconds. If the seconds are between 30 and 59, you are going to reset them to 0 by pressing the button on the bottom right side, but a minute is going to be added. If the seconds are between 1 and 29 and you press the reset button, they are going to reset to 0 and no other minute is going to be added. Now, in order to toggle between all the different options, we are going to use the top right pusher. As you can see, now I can set the minutes. This time we are going to either press one by one, or we can press and hold in order to speed scroll. This is something that you can also find on Casio watches, both vintage and modern. So let's make it 30. Now I'm going to press the top pusher once again. As you can see, we have AM or PM. So now we are at 7 AM and I want to make it 3 PM. So let's do that. 3 PM. I'm going to press the top pusher once again. And here we can adjust the month. So I can leave it at December. Then I can press the top pusher once again. And now I can set the day of the month. So let's make it the 24th. I'm going to get very close and then go one by one, and I'm going to press it once again in order to select the day of the week. So let's make it Friday. If I press the top pusher once again, we are going to arrive once again at the seconds. So guys, once everything is done, all you need to do is to press the mode button and you have successfully set the time and date on your Seiko Alarm Chronograph watch. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date on your Seiko Alarm Chronograph watch with the digital display. If you found value from this video guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews. I'm also going to make a full guide on all the functions and features of this particular model. Some of them are pretty unique that you won't find on other models, so make sure to check it out. Link in the description below guys. Once again, make sure to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.